let's start from our kitchen. First of all, take mustard seeds and sow them in soil. Cover with a thin layer of soil and water them. See the time-lapse process of germination. Now let us take a potato. We can easily see the potato has buds and these are called eyes. So bury this part deep into the soil and now see the time-lapse process. Now let's take a juicy fruit tomato. Cut a thin slice and then sow in the soil. See the time-lapse process. Now let's grow barley. Sow 4-5 seeds in a container and then water it regularly and the time lapse. Now let's germinate fenugreek seeds, or you can say methi seeds. Take a pot, fill it 3/4 with soil. Make it loose and then sow the seeds. Cover these seeds with a thin layer of soil and water these regularly. After 2 days, they will start germinating. Do not overwater them. Let's grow coriander. For this, crush these seeds so that they can easily germinate and then take a pot, fill it 3/4 with soil and then sow the seeds in this soil and cover it with a thin layer. Water it regularly and then observe the changes taking place after a week. For growing a chili plant, take a dried chili and take out the seeds from it and then sow the seeds. Changes after some days. Sow 3 kidney beans in moist soil and see the change. Through time-lapse process, the changes can be easily noticed. We can also sow some seeds of radish in moist soil and then we can see the germination process.